Here at Bemis, we take care of our own. Since the very first days of operating, it's been the Bemis family's vision to invest in a local workforce and to keep it that way. They owed it to Sheboygan Falls. There was a time in the early years while the nation battled an economic downturn, Albert Bemis thought they might need to close their doors. When the community and his workers caught wind of this, they came together and assured him Bemis was staying open. The trend was set that day: take care of your own, and the rest takes care of itself. That's how you get multiple generations working under the same roof. When you create a space where people feel protected and looked out for, it allows them to develop into a workforce that embodies the will to achieve more and push harder. These efforts turned a local manufacturer of wood products into a global brand, respected innovator in the markets of toilet seats and bidets, and custom injection molding, healthcare products, and caps and gauges. Innovation, the Bemis family decided, would not be the sole focus for the company. Ensuring future generations are able to use and enjoy our natural resources is also at the core of everything we do. This is why at Bemis, our wood toilet seats are made from post-production scraps sourced from local manufacturers. This puts minds at ease knowing 70 million pounds worth of trees are left standing each year. Through a culture of ownership and loyalty, this company has transformed itself into an innovator that designs products to elevate the standard of living through a talented local workforce and sustainable resources. Now that's innovation for everyday life.